Sometimes a mountain feels a little too tall. Sometimes I feel just a little too small. I'm trying my best with the things I can do, but I'm reaching a hand out to someone like you. It's okay to ask, it's okay to say, I need a little help today. It's a brave way to grow, a kind way to be, to bring out the best in you and me. We don't have to carry the weight on our own. No one is meant to be walking alone, with a word or a smile or a hand held so tight. Together we'll make everything feel alright. It's okay to ask, it's okay to say, I need a little help today. It's a brave way to grow, a kind way to be, to bring out the best in you and me. It's okay to ask, it's okay to say, I need a little help too.